pay a little tribute to Eddie Compton on this one. I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler about working all summer just to try to earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby, I try to get a date. She says, "So now, son, you gotta work late." Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Hey! Woo! Well, my mama and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. Well, if you wanna use a car to go right next Sunday. Well, I came to go to work, told the boss I was sick. Can't use a car, of course you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Hey! Yeah, I'm gonna take my problem to the United Nations. When I called my congressman, he said, "Look, I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote." Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Just to try to earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby, I try to get it to him. Oh, no way, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues.